everybody, Marty from Voodoo Rod and Custom. Now I'm building a 302 Windsor 8.2 deck as it's known in the US, and basically we're going to be giving a hit of the bottle. This is a Nitrous Express Hitman kit. It's a plate, and I've got a few manifolds I'd like to test in terms of distribution with the plate system. Now ideally we should run direct fogger, but that's not in my budget, and that's going to be later on down when I build another motor. So yeah, let's have a look-see to see which one actually is going to work best for our plate system and distributing nitrous evenly into every single cylinder. So there we have it. The manifold that I wanted to run, hence it's all been painted, was the Portosonic. It was very interesting. It liked to pull up around the top here, which I didn't get any footage, but I had 2 frost marks, which the Super Victor was the same, 2 frost marks right here. So in that design, I think a stinger would be perfect, because then you can get even distribution between each cylinder and each runner. So for this style of plate system, I will be running the 289 Tolker. Quite surprised at this little manifold. This is one I picked up for about $150. So yeah, we will be definitely making the switch to this manifold. It's visually seems to have done what we're looking for, and that's a lot even between the runners. Now obviously we can only do this on a visual. The best way to do a proper test, a back-to-back, would be on a dyno or the blacktop, and basically do plug checks and then have a look and see where you're at. But this one's got my vote. We'll be making the switch to the 289. So yeah, more spray.